Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time now to do another love bite for you. A simple 9 card spread to check your energies, Capricorn, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and simply leave the rest. With that said, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again with me today. And if you're new here, Cappies, do join us. Subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Communication. 2 of Wands, the Sun card, 9 of Swords, 2 of Swords, 3 of Cups, and the Empress. Beautiful. Okay, so there's some major transformation coming into your life, Capricorn. This is the Death card, which is your overall energy, and according to me, this is the best card possible because that signifies no more stagnancy. It's like a sudden change. It's like a new beginning, something which was not serving you ending so that a transformation can take place. Alright, so somebody was not really happy. Maybe there was a conflict here, maybe regarding a commitment. There is a reconciliation here, Capricorn. There is a reconciliation coming up after a period of time where maybe somebody was taking too long to make up their mind. Let's see, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, Capricorn. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll start clarifying these cards, okay? So, Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. Oops. Okay, I have 2 already. One more. Okay. And I'm going to take a few more from here, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person. And Capricorn, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Alright. And a couple more from here as well. Capricorn and their person spirit. Alright, good to go, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, we are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future that we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers in a healthy way, having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. So somebody wants communication here. Just give me a second. Okay. All right. Second card here says, why do you hide your pain from me? You know I can see right through you. Our souls are entwined and reflect each other deeply. If you would only talk with me, I could help support your healing, and then this would help heal me too. I get triggered when I'm angry or have decided to walk away from our connection, and then the universe decides to bombard me with your name, and your higher self stalks me with musical messages from you. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically, and in dreams, I long to talk with you again. Second reference to telepathic communication and somebody wanting to have communication. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we have a romantic and sexual relationship. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. Yes, somebody definitely wants to come out of this anxiety, insomnia, not being able to sleep at night. They're not happy with something. We'll figure out what. Let's talk and clear the air. Again, third time, communication. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. All right. So Capricorn, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Learning experience. Somebody had to learn a lesson here. You know that, right? Soulmates come into your life for a reason, season, or a lifetime. So they're here to teach us something. Once the lesson is learned, then things change. They dramatically change. So maybe somebody here had to learn a lesson. Maybe both of you did. I don't know. So let's see what's happening here. Six of Swords Spirit with the Hierophant in reverse. It seems somebody was not interested in a commitment and that led to some conflict, and maybe somebody decided to release this connection. Yeah, somebody was, but they've been watching. They haven't given up. Whoever got left behind or didn't commit, I don't think they've taken their eye off their person even now, even though maybe they didn't commit when the time was right. Yes, this person doesn't like this feeling of always being stressed out, and they want to communicate. Yes, they want to come forward and heal whatever has been broken in this connection, heal this broken heart. Now they've been watching. See, they've been watching this Queen of Wands, glowing, looking beautiful, attractive, following their passions, and they want to return. They want to return to talk about the conflict which has happened and do something which will heal this heartbreak. So, Hierophant in reverse, Spirit, what happened here? Why was the Hierophant in reverse? Yeah, somebody maybe stagnated this connection because the other person was not interested in maybe offering a commitment or something like that. But whoever this person is wants to return. They want to come back with a solid offer this time and an apology. They want to apologize for whatever has happened here. 8 of Wands, Spirit. What's this communication card? Somebody is very unhappy that all this time, effort, energy has gotten wasted, and they are scared that this chapter has come to a close. They want to re-begin. They want to transform this connection, talk about it, and maybe restart, because they're not happy that, maybe of their own selves, that they never took charge of this connection, Capricorn. But now see, they want to come back as an emperor. They want to now show up, start a brand new chapter, come with communication, come with a solid offer, and maybe apologize as well, because now they want to be a true pair to this Empress. Emperor, Empress, and a new beginning. Okay. So what's this Two of Pentacles then, Spirit? What's this back and forth energy? Two of Pentacles. Somebody wants to actually charge in. Somebody actually wants to charge in and kind of talk to this Empress, but maybe there's been a bit of a fight. Maybe some harsh words have been exchanged between the two of you. So I think this person who wants to come in as the Emperor is feeling small. They're feeling, oh my God, I really behaved really badly. I mean, but whatever my behavior was, on reflection, I'm the person who was a loser. So now they're going back and forth in their mind, trying to relive their own bad behavior, their bad words. They're not happy. They're not happy at all with their own words maybe that was spoken. Okay, sorry. So, why is the Sun card in reverse, Spirit? Sun in reverse. Sun in reverse. Somebody is very, very afraid. So, yes, they're afraid. They're afraid, and they are, oh my God, King of Swords in reverse. Maybe they've said something which was very rude or maybe harsh, or kept too many secrets. I don't think this person is very happy. Oh yes, they've created a tower to fall, right? No wonder. But the good part here is when the tower erupts like this, Capricorn, is when you guys can rebuild. Okay, it's when death happens, then a new life is born. Similarly, with whatever bad behavior this person did, which now they're of course very scared to come back because now they know what they've done. They are like in shock themselves of what did I do here? What did I do? Now they want to show up as the King of Pentacles. They want to show up in the correct light. They want to prove to their person that I am not the same person anymore. I want to, do the right thing now. I don't want to have any more sleepless nights. I'm tired of, blaming my own self. Yes, this person's been in a lot of depression, but a lot of sadness. So, Two of Swords, Spirit. What's this Two of Swords? They want to come back. They want to come back. It's just that they feel they may be blocked by that person because there's no communication between the two of you. So they feel maybe, my person doesn't want me back anymore. They're closed off now. They won't want me anymore. So that fear is there. Oh, the Death card again. But there's going to be a huge transformation. There is going to be a big, big, big transformation. And I have a feeling this transformation is going to be fabulous because it clarified the Three of Cups, which is coming back together, celebration, happiness, reconciliation. So let's see. And see, just see what I have just right under the Death card. The Ten of Pentacles as well. So this could be a very solid offer coming your way, Capricorn. What's this Three of Cups, Spirit? Three of Cups. What's this Three of Cups? Four of Wands. Is that a proposal or what? And the Strength card. Yes, somebody is trying to gather up their strength to come back, reconcile and offer their Empress everything. Empress, you're sitting here, pretty. What do you want to say to us? Empress? Oh. Empress says, I have secretly been waiting as well. It's just that my Emperor never really offered me this commitment. I've been waiting for a very long time. They never offered me a forever. And that didn't make me happy at all. I want them to show me. I want them to put in the work to make this happen now. Because I'm the Empress and I've always known this is my Emperor, this is my soulmate, this is my counterpart, this is my everything. But yes, I have turned my face away right now because I feel I've already done the work. So yes, I will wait and see if they put in any work. Great. Otherwise, you know what an Empress can do, right? They can just go out there and find anyone they want to because an Empress is an Empress. But don't worry, Empress, your Emperor is coming. All right? So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.